Hello, I'm Gaëtane and I'm a member of the class of 2024. I think BIS Hanoi has really prepared me for university, as in I got a lot of support because this next step of applying to university is so scary, but the fact that I wasn't alone and I had someone helping me everywhere, every single step of the way, just made me feel so comfortable knowing that the university that I chose is right for me and knowing that what I'm doing is like the correct thing for like me and my well-being. Before joining BIS, I was never much of a studious student, so I didn't take much time into my studies, but BIS actually has really taught me how to organize and how to take time and really take time into my studies. If my past self saw me right now in my desk with my matcha and my computer doing 2 hours of studying, she would probably be really, really shocked. So I'm grateful that BIS has taught me that. Theater for me was something that was completely new, so I was super excited going into it. But one project that was particularly exciting for me was the end-of-year collaborative piece. And I just thought it was just so exciting and so fun to take everything we learned, like the sound, the lighting, our acting style, and with my classmate create a 10-minute piece. And we just had all the freedom with our imagination and creativity. And it was just something that I could be so excited for when I came to class. And it just really helped me express myself fully. And I thought at the end in the final piece, it also just really showed that as well. So sports for me is something that is so important in my life. And I'm grateful that BIS was able to offer me the opportunity to join teams. But my most memorable moment is definitely being in the varsity football girls team. And I think I can confidently say that last year probably we were BIS's best football girls team since we went undefeated. And just that experience of sharing the sport I love with people I love as well, it just made me feel so good and just really helped me in times of stress and exams, and it just made my experience here in BIS feel a lot better. I thought that as a house captain, I really had to make sure that everyone felt included and that I really helped bring up the spirit. And I thought that when I was up there on the stage and doing the assemblies and creating my activities, that just my spirit and my enthusiasm was really able to bring everyone together and create that enthusiasm with everyone so that everyone's able to enjoy what, frankly, I also enjoy doing, but so we can all share the same enjoyment together. I think I definitely gained a lot of leadership skills because this was probably the first and the biggest leadership position I had taken, and I never had to really organize a whole group of people. So I think my leadership skills have definitely improved, and I gained a lot of new ideas and ways that I know now I can better manage big events. I would say definitely to put yourself out there. So join those clubs that you're interested in, go meet those new people and go talk to your classmates, because right now I'm only getting to know some of my classmates and they're so amazing and they're so fun, and I wish I had known them better. And the more you know people and the more that you get yourself involved with everyone, the more you feel like you belong in the community and BIS community, and it just makes you feel just so much better and so much more bright. So I would say really put yourself out there and get to know as many people as you can. Well, I will be going to university, hopefully US or Canada, but regardless, I want to study sports management. As I said, sports is something that I'm super passionate about, and I really hope to take my learnings into the sports industry and create an impact, especially with the equality between women and men. So I hope that my learnings in like business relations will help that. But I just hope that I am able to pursue something that I'm passionate about and that makes me happy.